Questions. Evaluate each of the following square roots. Okay, we'll use only some of them as an example. For example, this is square root of 25. As we said, by definition, square root is some number to the exponent of 1/2. So 25 is inside. We change the base here. The base is 5 squared, and the exponent is 1/2. So we do multiplication in this case to multiply 1/2, which would give you a final answer of 5. For this is a perfect square number, just as this is a 12 square. Students can figure this out. Let's use this one as an example. Square root of 7 to the power of 4. Again, by definition, square root is exponent of 1/2. So inside is 7 to the power of 4. So we do multiplication of these two exponents. So that's a 7 squared, which is 49. This one is slightly complicated. 4 to the power of 5 taking a square root. 4 to the power of 5 taking a 1/2 exponent on the outside. So this would give you 5 halves, right? 5 if we multiply 5 and 1/2, but we can change the base here. So 4 is basically 2 to the power of 2, right? So we do, again, multiplication of the two exponents. So the base would give you 2 to the power of 10. You still have the outside, which is a square root. Now is 10 multiply 1/2 is 2 to the power of 5, which is 32. This would be 81 is a perfect square root, a perfect square number, right? It's 9 to the power of 2. And you're taking a square root, which is exponent 1/2, and then you're taking a square on the outside of this one. Okay, let's do this one by one. So multiplication 2 and 1/2, that's 1. So the base would give you a 9. Then you have a square on the outside. So this would give you 81 for this one. So this number is slightly more complicated. Okay. 5, but okay, so 5, 6, 2, 1, 6, 4, and this is a very long number, right? We have, by definition, square root, which is 1/2 to the exponent, and we have a square on the outside. As we said earlier, we do multiplication of the two exponents. You keep this long number inside the bracket, then you do 1/2 multiply 2, which would give you 1. So the final answer is the same number as in the bracket. Okay, last one. Simplify this form. Okay, inside we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have square root of 6 multiply 6 to the power of 5. Okay, remember I said earlier, multiplication, we add up the exponents. So inside the square root, we have 6 to the power of 6. Again, by definition, square root on the outside is power of 1/2. Inside is 6 to the power of 6. Multiplication of the exponents. So 6 to the 3, the final answer.